tutorial on 2 different ways to clean a septum piercing. First, I'm going to be showing you how to do a sea salt soak, which is literally 2 ingredients and Q-tips, so it's super easy. And then the second way I'm going to show you is using actual spray, like a pre-made spray. So the first one I'm going to do is a sea salt soak, which is really easy. All you need is sea salt, non-iodized sea salt. This is the one I have. I don't know if it's gonna be backwards or not on camera, but it doesn't matter the brand or anything, but this one was just the cheapest one they had at the store. You just, no matter what it says, no matter what type of salt, make sure it is non-iodized salt. I think that's like the most important part. But yeah, you're gonna need some of this, a small cup of water, and Q-tips. Okay, so one of the most important things is washing your hands before you do any of these. So yeah, that's important. And you want the water to be lukewarm to hot, you know, the hottest that you can stand it, to help the salt dissolve faster. And yeah, these can get kind of messy, so be prepared for that. So to make this, you're gonna first take your water, and then you're gonna get some of the salt, and you really want just a tiny bit. So let me show you guys. Oh wow, okay, yeah, that's a lot. Well, since I can't really put this back, I'm just gonna show you guys. So this is the cup, and with this amount of salt, I'm just gonna take like just the tiniest bit and put it in here. Okay, so now that you have all the sea salt in there, you're going to want to stir it up. I'm just using a Q-tip. So make sure all the salt is dissolved, and then you're ready to go. Now, honestly, there's multiple different ways you could do this. So what I like to do is kind of like 2 steps. So first, I get a clean Q-tip. Please don't reuse Q-tips, that's kind of gross. But you could do this. So you take the Q-tip and you dip it in there, and you take the Q-tip. It's like super simple. You just take it, and then make sure you want to clean around the area, just like this. And then take the other side and clean the other side. I already cleaned mine, so there's like nothing on it, but yeah, it's super simple. And then the second way is taking the water and basically dunking your nose in it, like this. If you were trying to do this like for real, like you're actually trying to clean it, you would leave your nose in there for anywhere from like 7 to 15 minutes, depending on how bad you like want to clean it, I guess. But yeah, you don't really need to leave it that long. So you just keep it like that, and then you'll be good. So the other way, my nose is literally still wet, but the other way is using this spray. This is the H2Ocean Aftercare piercing aftercare spray. And basically what this is literally the sea salt soak thingy in a can, with a bunch of other enzymes and minerals and stuff. But not everyone can get this, so it's just another alternative. So for this is also 2 ways you can do this. The first way, which is the way I like to do it, you take this and you just go in and clean it. Like this. Super simple. And when you're actually trying to clean it for real, just like be more thorough, but you know, this is just for demonstration purposes only. And then the second way, which I haven't seen anyone do it this way, so I don't even know if it's like a good way to do it, you know, because I'm such a great YouTuber. But I mean, I don't see anything wrong with doing it. So the other way I do it is like this. And then like that. Do the second way if you have a lot of like crust build up and dried blood on your nose, but other than that, it's like honestly not that necessary to put it in your nose and on the Q-tip. But yeah, those are like when my piercing was healing, I did both of these things religiously for like about the first 2 weeks, and then every 3 days after that. So yeah, this is probably like the easiest way to clean it, the least painful way to clean it, especially if they're fresh. I saw this one girl, I looked up how to like clean a piercing. This one girl, she said, oh, take some soap and then put your fingers in it, go like this. How am I supposed to do that if it's like a fresh piercing? Like, that's really gonna hurt. But yeah, just, you know, make sure whenever you touch your piercing, whether you're cleaning it or even like just changing it out or doing anything, make sure you wash your hands, don't reuse Q-tips, make sure everything you use is clean, because it's really easy for it to get infected, especially if it's fresh. But yeah, it's not really much to it. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Cheers.